Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Today I have an AlinaCraft design team project to share with you guys, and I used a few dies. These two right here are the ones from her new release, or I should say her May release, and then this one was from the previous release, and then this was Christmas. But I only used the circle dies for this one. I love this die. If you guys don't have this die, this is a must-have. If you don't have these nesting circle dies that are stitched, because it does stitch, they're double stitch. Well, when you cut them out, it only gives you one stitch, but it gives you a stitch on the other side. So like the negative portion of your die cut. So anyway, but yes, I had fun playing with these two new dies that she has in the shop. These two I used together, and then I made one little embellishment with this one. So let me go ahead and share what I created for you guys. The umbrella and rain boots die that you see right here, I made this cute little embellishment. Let me go ahead and zoom a little bit. Let's see, let's make sure it's focusing. Okay, so I made this cute little bag. Now I was gonna make this a memory dex. I could probably still do it and just add the bottom part. But for now, this is how I made it. So a lot of ladies have been making these clear totes. And anyway, I thought I'd make a teeny tiny version of it, and I thought it'd be really cute. Now I made this last month in May, so that's why it has that May theme. I used the Bloom Street collection, and I used some cardstock or glittered cardstock from my stash, and lots of fun sequins on the inside right here. Those are not AlinaCraft sequins. But you can definitely use whatever you have in your stash. And I put this bow up here, and it's just so cute. And I thought it'd be really nice to just put the little umbrella inside the little tote. I thought that was a really cute idea. And then I have this little umbrella charm that I can't remember if I was gifted this or if I got this from Frank Garcia's studio, because he has these cute little charms in his shop. I don't know if he still has it, but I know I bought some. They're so cute, and I thought it went perfectly with this project. And then I just made a little little sequins charm there by using one of my it's not really sequins, but I guess you can call it a sequins butterfly. So, and then I just added some AlinaCraft bling in the middle. And then as you can see inside on the rain boots, I don't know if you can see that, on the rain boots, I also put a little flower sequence there and a little bling. It's a little sparkly, so I don't know, it's kind of hard to pick it up, but I thought it was so cute. And then I just put some more sequence mix inside, and it looks like that. I did stitch it, and I put a little star there, and that's it. It's a closed bag, so I thought it was super cute. So there's my first project for AlinaCraft, using the Lady Purse shaker die. This die here comes in three parts. There's 2 layering dies, and let me go ahead and show you what I made with those. So here's the first one, and I do have a Disney theme, as you can see here. So for this one here, I used I used all the dies. So I started off with cutting my background die with this one right here, with some glitter cardstock, and I think I also used some regular cardstock just to make it nice and sturdy. And then I used these two here to create the layer on top with the design on it. And then I just punched out a little Mickey Mouse head because I wanted this to be a Disney theme. and because I'm making this embellishment to put inside the shaker envelopes that I made. So so stinking cute. And then I added some AlinaCraft bling on the ears, and then also on the little purse, what do you call it? I don't know what those are called, but it's where that would be the hardware for, you know, when you open and close the purse. And then I just made a little charm here using my little Mickey key. So stinking adorable, right? And I can just hang this on any project, or I'll probably be gifting this one, but so stinking cute. And so that's one of them. And then I made a shaker for some of them. So here's a purple one right here. I just used some sequence mix, and as you can see there, I used the purple AlinaCraft, the little Mickey heads. I also used that, and I'll make sure I leave the link to all the products that I used from AlinaCraft store. And then again, I used some bling bling. Love these flat back pearls, and they're just so cute. And so the back looks like that. So I did finish both sides, and I really like the style of this one. I like putting the Mickey head on the side, so I thought that was super duper cute. And then I made a pink one. Of course I have to make a pink one. And again, I used the Fimo slices from AlinaCraft, the little Mickey heads, and also these teeny tiny flowers and stars from her shop. But for this one here, I did back it up with some cardstock in the back there. So, and I also kept this open, so I thought that was super cute. So isn't this adorable? They're just cute little purses that are so easy to put together. I just used some acetate to make the shakers. And then here's a blue one. So as you can see, I made them in every color of the rainbow. Had to make a pretty blue one right here. Super cute, right? And just use some sequence mixes from my stash. The little hearts are actually from Alina, not hearts, sorry. The little open stars, those sequins are from AlinaCraft. And then the back looks like that as well. So this one's, you know, a through and through shaker. And then I think I did make another yellow, super cute. And I had to use that little yellow Mickey head right there. And super duper cute. I had so much fun. As you can see, I made so many of them. Sorry, it keeps going out of focus. And then I had to make a purple one. So here's the last one that I made. So they're so cute. And remember how I made these guys right here? So that's what I was planning on doing, was just sticking these in there. And then I can just send them off and gift them to someone. I could probably stick more stuff in there too, but anyway, that's how it's gonna look like. So hopefully whenever I'm able to send some happy mail, I'll be doing that. Okay, so on with the next project. And for my last project, I did use this box making, I think it's called the box making die set. And it basically helps you create any box, any size and any shape. And then it comes with the handle. And so let me go ahead and show you what I created. And I'm not even done making, because I need to make some more of these. So I created this little cutie purse. Isn't this adorable? So for this one, I used the, let's see, what is it called? The Flower Market paper from Cartabella. And I love this pretty coral. And So as you can see, I had to use a circle. You don't have to, it's any shape you want. But I used the circle die, and for this one, I think I used the second to the largest circle. And you can use this one because it has that stitched, see, it has a stitched design on it. And then Alina actually on her YouTube channel, she has a tutorial on how to create these boxes and other ways to create the a circle box. I think she made one that is flat on the bottom, but I wanted to keep mine nice and round because I just think it's so much cuter. But so that it will stand on your desk like this, I went ahead and put some feet on the bottom. Okay, and I used some pearl trims for my stash, and then this bow that I created, and I put some AlinaCraft bling in the middle, and I just think it came out so cute. And I just put a couple of charms and also this tassel that my BFF gave me. Thanks, Erica. This went perfectly with this project. And then it opens up. So this is the top. The top is the one that has the, well, all the decoration actually, but it has the handle. And I love that the handle is also stitched, as you can see there. And so you just open it up and it looks like that. And so this one doesn't have the stitch finish on the inside. I don't know, I might have to put another layer in there, but this is a nice pretty one right here. It's because this one's a little bit smaller. I had to trim the circle down, so that's why I lost the stitched design on it. And because you have to keep in mind, you have to make the inner box, the inner part or the bottom part, you have to make it smaller than the lid. Okay, so really, really cute, and it just looks like that. So I love the way this came out. So yes, this is a must-have die because like I said, you can make it any shape you want, and this just allows you to create those little flaps so that you can attach the side to the shape top that you decide to do. So anyway, I hope you guys liked my projects for today for AlinaCraft. Make sure you check the description box for all the links that I will be putting on in the description box. I'll leave you a list of all the products that I used today on my projects that I shared. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.